Welcome back to App Mentor. Let's talk about the best control and sensitivity settings for PUBG using your iPhone. So let's start. First, let's talk about the red dot, hollow, and two times scopes, which are controlled by the sensitivity setting. We use the scopes in mid range, requiring good aim transfer. Set the sensitivity to 300 and spray. If the aim transfer isn't smooth, increase it to 400 for better results. Next, check the sensitivity for 3x and 6x scopes, as both are controlled by the same settings. Using the 6x scope, adjust to 330 for better recoil control in long range. For 3x scope, test the spray. Let's set the sensitivity for the 4x scope, mainly used for burst fire. Keep the 4x sensitivity around 300 for accurate burst fire. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.